How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, how to make a narcissist obsessed with you. That is the title of this video. If you're dealing with a narcissist, you know it's a full-time job. It's tough being in a relationship with a narcissist. Sometimes you want the narcissist to become obsessed with you, and maybe you're doing that to teach them a lesson. Maybe you're doing that to get back at them. Now, the big question is this: do narcissists become obsessed with you? Yes, a narcissist can become obsessed with you if they recognize that you have this ability to consistently meet their insatiable needs for narcissistic supply. We know narcissists, what they need most from you is what we call narcissistic supply. And this supply could be in form of constant admiration, constant attention, constant praise, constant validation, constant adoration, constant reassurance. These are some of the things the narcissists need because they have this fragile ego. They need external validation. So once the narcissist realizes that you can give them this constant narcissistic supply, they'll become addicted to you. They'll become obsessed with you. So the big question is this: how do you make a narcissist obsessed with you? Number one, give them that taste of narcissistic supply. And what I mean is that give them some of that attention they need, admiration. Give them that. Give them some praise, recognition, reassurance, acknowledgement, constant validation. Now, the more you give them this supply, just a bit by bit, then the narcissist will want more and more of it. This makes them get addicted to you over time. They'll need more validation from you, and they'll need more praise from you. They'll need more attention from you, and this makes them obsessed with you. Narcissists naturally, they are attracted to people they think they can easily control and people that they can easily manipulate. So if you want the narcissist to be obsessed with you, then just show them that you are attracted to them. Show them that you find them very charming. Let them think that they can control you. Let them make choices for you. For instance, what kind of food to eat, what kind of movies to watch, what kind of discussions even to talk about, what to wear, kind of dresses to wear, where to hang out. So once the narcissist feels and believes they can control you, then they get obsessed with you. The other way of making the narcissist obsessed with you is to make them dependent on you. Keep the narcissist very close to you by making them depend on you. Yes, narcissists can depend on you for the narcissistic supply that I've just mentioned in this video. You can keep them dependent on you in many ways. They will, you can use money, for instance. You can use attention. Anything that you give the narcissist that will make them dependent on you. Do things that the narcissist thinks they're very good at, the things that will make the narcissist feel good. Do things that the narcissist doesn't love doing, but which are important to them. Do the things that you're good at, but the narcissist doesn't like doing it. Now, when you do that, the narcissist will become dependent on you. They'll start enjoying that dependence, and they'll demand more and more from you. And the more effort you do in making them dependent on you, the more they will want more effort from you. They'll be more obsessed with you putting more. Because the narcissist is never satisfied. The more you give, the more they want. Just like money. If you give narcissists, and they become dependent on you because of money, then they will not be satisfied with that money. They will want more and more and more and more, because narcissist is never satisfied. The more you give, the more they want. They are takers generally. Now, to get the narcissist obsessed with you, to make them obsessed with you, be high value. Keep your value high. If you want the narcissist very interested in you, remind them how great you are. Remind them about that big job that you have. about the important group of friends that you have, the special skills that you have. Show them that you are admired by many people. And always show the narcissist there is so much about you that they don't know. That there's a lot more in you that they need to learn about. Show them that you are a very amazing person, that there's a lot in you that they don't know. Then they'll be obsessed with you because they will see that your value is high. Again, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, spend quality time with your friends and family. Spend more time with your, support system. Let the narcissist see that you have another life going on. And that way they'll want to be part of that life. Now, they'll know that you are spending more time in those other relationships. And generally we know narcissists are envious and they're jealous people. So they'll start feeling jealous. And they'll want to be part of that life that you have. So hang out with those people that care about you, trusted friends and trusted family members. Do the things that you love. And tell that narcissist about what you're doing. Now they'll realize that you're not only focusing on their relationship, but you're also focusing on other things which are very important to you. This will be a challenge to the narcissist. You can also make the narcissist obsessed with you by withdrawing emotionally from them. Before the narcissist starts abusing you, you can withdraw emotionally. You can pull back emotionally before they start mistreating you. When you distance yourself emotionally, especially when you see the narcissist is trying to mistreat you or to control you or to treat you badly, then they will get obsessed over you, challenging their sense of control. Again, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, be more attractive, dress well, be smart. When this narcissist sees other people giving you attention, then they'll get closer to you, they'll be more obsessed with you. So be more attractive, be more magnetic. The other thing about narcissists, be an enabler to them. Let them think that what they do and what they want is the most important thing to you. The narcissist will feel very powerful. You'll boost their fragile ego, and they'll feel so much in control of you and of everything. Don't give them compliments. Stop praising them. Don't give those compliments so openly. When you over compliment the narcissist, when you over praise the narcissist, then they'll become bored. They'll think they've gotten you. They'll stop obsessing over you. They'll start hunting for someone else. Now, if the narcissist realizes they're not getting that constant praise from you, they might start getting obsessed over you in order to get more approval from you. They need more praise from you. When you don't keep telling the narcissist how great they are all the time, now you shake that fragile ego they have. You shake their confidence. You make them want to show you how awesome they are. So they'll need more approval from you. They'll need praise from you. They need you to compliment them. So they'll work very hard to get your recognition, to get your praise, to get your attention. They'll be obsessed with you. They want that praise from you. Now this makes them so much obsessed over you. They'll be obsessed to get your attention, your admiration, your acknowledgement, your constant adoration, and that validation. They'll need it so badly. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, now you can also be tough and arrogant also. When you're tough, it shows that you have some confidence. Now, the narcissist will find you attractive when they also think you are arrogant, because they'll see confidence in you. They'll see that you're assertive, and they need validation and praise from you. So this might attract them because they see that your confidence is something they need for themselves. They'll want that confidence that you have for themselves. Again, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, you can decide to break up with them, especially when you do it fast. When you break up with a narcissist, they'll feel so bad. They'll be angry. They'll want you back. They will feel exposed. They'll feel unsure. How dare you leave them? They'll try to contact you all the time. They'll try to hoover you back. They'll want answers. Why did you decide to leave them? So that way they'll find themselves obsessed over you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thank you.